This is a composition product which is supplied in a roll, which I've been told is a very difficult product to bond because it likes to curl back off the wall once you've adhered it. We are now going to show you how to adhere this product to a wall absolutely flawlessly. First of all, we're going to test our spray pattern at the near top. Then we're going to go down the outside edge. And again, we fill in the middle with a 100% coverage, making about a 20% overlap with the spray pattern. Test spray. And in this case, because I don't want to step on the material, I'm going to do through the middle a couple of passes here, and I'll go across the end with one more generous pass. It's very important to make sure that we do the ends. This is the composition material, which has quite a bit of curl to it, as you can see. We're going to start at the top and install this material. Once it's in place, be careful because there's very little movement allowed afterwards. So you push it into place. Again, just want to emphasize, want to get it right the first time because it will be very difficult to move it. And the next thing you want to do is be absolutely certain with this material that you roll it with our Tensorgrip roller.